Okay. This is from Sefer Meshivat Nefesh, and it's teachings of Rabbi Nachman of Breslov. It's a collection from his Talmidim, Walter Teplik or Hashem Yinakim Damo. Okay, so we've been doing this a few weeks, so we're in the middle here. Some people, he says here, there's some people have a Yetzer Hara. Their Yetzer Hara is like a very, I'm going to go to the one before, Tetvav. Ki yesh kama bechinot b'Yetzer Hara. There's different types of Yetzer Hara. V'rov ha'olam ha'Yetzer Hara shalem hu namuch u'megusham. Most of the world, their Yetzer Hara is very low, and it's very physical. Ruach shtut mamash, a spirit of foolishness completely. Mi sheyesh lo da'at tzach kolshu, and someone who has a clear awareness a little bit. Mishaer b'libo k'tzat et gdulat haborei yitbarach. He is able to evaluate a little bit the greatness of Hashem. He has such an awareness of the greatness of Hashem in his heart. Bevadai Yetzer Hara hazeh etzlo shtut gadol v'shigaon. So for some person who goes to a higher madrega, just awareness of Hashem, he sees the rest of the world. It's foolishness. It's complete foolishness. It's insanity, craziness. V'afilu nisayon shel tavat. So even the test of sexual tests, so a person is a higher madrega, it's foolishness for them. This person doesn't have to worry. Doesn't have to really fight. If a person really understands a little bit, just a little bit, the greatness of Hashem, don't worry about these things. They don't think about these things. So what kind of Yetzer Hara does this person have? A big person, a tzaddik, a elevated person who has a little awareness of Hashem. This person has a much higher Yetzer Hara. But the Yetzer Hara for the most of the world, this is complete foolishness for this person who has just a little bit awareness of the greatness of God. If you have a little brains, he says. So, some people have the Yetzer Hara that it's such a thin layer. The Yetzer Hara like this only goes to a true warrior. Gadol b'mala, a great level. K'tzat, gadol b'mala k'tzat, a big level a little bit. But the Yetzer Hara of the true tzaddikim, Yetzer Hara shelahem hu malach kadosh mamash. The Yetzer Hara of tzaddikim is a malach kadosh, is a holy angel. It says David HaMelech says in Tehillim, Libi chalal bekirbi, right? So we know he shechted his Yetzer Hara. His Yetzer Hara brought him. I heard someone explain this once. He called it Yetzer Hara becomes a propulsion mechanism. The engineer explained this. It pushes him closer to Hashem. He's able to use it to get close to Hashem. To be this only for tzaddikim kdoshim mamash, true tzaddikim. Gam beinyan itkarvut la'atzmo la'Hashem yitbarach yesh Yetzer Hara gadol. So, as a person comes close to Hashem, this is for us now. We're not tzaddikim. Halavai, we should be close to tzaddikim amitim. So now, for a normal person, as he comes close to Hashem yitbarach, he comes close to Hashem. Yesh Yetzer Hara gadol. There's a big Yetzer Hara. Hainu shelifamim ribui hitlaavut chutz me'amida. I learned about this when I first went to yeshiva. My Rebbe warned me about this. Sometimes a person goes and they're on fire, too much fire. Chutz me'amida, it's too much. This is also from the Yetzer Hara. V'zeh bechinat pen yersu la'alot el Hashem. It says when the Jews were in Har Sinai, Hashem warned them, don't get too close. So this is a person has to pray to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Also, Hashem, protect me from getting too close, which is the Yetzer Hara, when it's the Yetzer Hara. Okay, Yud Chet. Mi sheyesh lav dinim chas v'shalom. Someone who has judgments on them, Rachmana litzlan. Yesh lo ezet tzara, Rachmana litzlan. Someone is suffering. Hashem, God's protect us. A person specifically. When does the Yetzer Hara come with a person? When a person's suffering a lot. That's time a person has to be extra careful from Yetzer Hara. When does the Yetzer Hara come? When a person's in trouble. That's go together. The harsh judgments, the troubled times, that's the Yetzer Hara's bread and butter. So Yutet. Gam atzvut mazik meod. Depression is very dangerous. It damages. Depression is damaging meod. There's a time, you say vidui, finished. A little bit, there's a time for it. It's very important to regret the sins a person does. But it's too much, chas v'shalom. It's dangerous. It's damaging. And it gives power to the Yetzer Hara. Therefore, a person has to overcome, has to get strong, has to be a warrior for himself. And how? A person has to be happy. In all the types of advice that Rabbi Nachman teaches all over this sefer that we're learning, how to be happy. How does a person get stronger in Avodat Hashem? It's through simcha, happiness, v'chedva, and joy. As it says in Nehemiah, pasuk yud, ki chedvat Hashem imuzchem. The joy in Hashem. This is your strength. This is how you fight the Yetzer Hara, b'simcha. Chaf, ot chaf. Hi hitrachakut, hi tchilat hitkarvut. Oh, we're back to this again. You're worried. We talked about this many times. The police officer, he did teshuvah. The day he's going to not eat kosher, stop eating not kosher, they offer him a free meal at the diner. Forever. Pushing away, the feeling that you're pushed away is tchilat hitkarvut. That's coming close. Hainu. When a person wants to be close to Hashem, he decides today. He has da'at, like we learned in Meshivat Nefesh. He has he comes and he has this awareness. Okay, I want to do it. He awakens this ratzon. It's desire to be close to Hashem. Azai al pirov, majority of the time, ba'im alav dinim v'yisurim. That's when the judgments and the suffering comes, and the obstacles come. Rabot v'atzumot, lots and lots of them, and they're strong. V'nidme lo ki'ilu merachakim oto. And it seems to the person, I'm getting pushed away from Hashem. Aval kol ze letova. This is all for good. B'shvil hitkarvut. This is how you get close. V'tzarich litchazek, litkaber, litametz. You have to be strong. You have to be powerful. And you have to put all your effort in gvurat and all your strength and all your fight. La'amod b'nisayon hazeh, to fight a fight against the obstacles. Shelo yitrachek chas v'shalom. What's the fighting though? Not to fight chas v'shalom, fighting and getting anger chas v'shalom. Meaning don't give in. Don't give in. Don't give up. Because you shouldn't go far, chas v'shalom. Don't go far from Hashem, chas v'shalom, because from suffering and from obstacles and from you feel pushed away, chas v'shalom. V'al yiteh b'atzmo lomar shemarchikim oto chas v'shalom. Don't think that this is not for me. I shouldn't go. I shouldn't go and do this. I shouldn't learn more Torah. I go to Beit Midrash. It seems hard. I find this, sometimes it's hard to find a chavruta. A lot of times, we do a guy, he comes to yeshiva, you can't find a chavruta. Don't look at this way. It's like, maybe it's not for me. I shouldn't learn Torah, chas v'shalom. Rak yidav yamin, know and believe. Shekol ma shover alav, whatever passes on you, hakol atovato, everything is for your good. Why? Kadesh yitkaber. That's how you get stronger. You want to get strong, you have to lift weights, right? So you want to get strong, you have an obstacle, you have to push through it to get closer. Kiyat rachakut, hurak b'shvil hitkarvut. The being pushed away, going through a narrow place is only to go and be closer to Hashem. Baruch Adonai L'olam, Amen ve'Amen.